Hey, what's up fellas, that's Mechanic Mode, another video from my YouTube channel. And today guys, I'll show you how to replace this steering wheel bezel cover. This one is really worn up, and also I'll show you how to replace the buttons, because the bezel comes itself brand new without buttons. In this case we got this really teared up buttons, and we'll do that right after the bezel. So let's go ahead and I will show you how to remove first the airbag out of the steering wheel, and then we'll take the trim bezel out. So let's do it. So first what you want to do is to go ahead under the hood and disconnect your battery for your safety, and make sure you doing it right. Before you're removing this airbag out of the steering wheel, you're gonna definitely disconnect the battery. So let's go ahead, disconnect that, and then take the airbag out. Alright guys, so the battery is located here on front right passenger side. You take this box, air box that goes to the cabin air filter in there, and here is the battery. I got the negative off, I got the negative terminal off. I'm gonna take the positive too. Alright guys, so to remove the airbag, what you have to do is, you see right here, this holes, you're gonna get a screwdriver like that and push inside. There is like metal pins, push them inside to pop the airbag out. You got this and same this side right here. So let me show you guys. You got it in, push through, and that's it. Or like just like that, and this one popped out. Same here. Show it to you. Here. Put it in. Almost there. Boom. And this one popped out too. Just like that. And now we got the airbag off. How you want to remove the airbag is to disconnect this connector right here. Just like that. Push these clips down and up on both sides, and it comes out. Put it in a good safe place. No touching. Now what we got is we're going to take this trim bezel out. We have one bolt here, one screw here, and we got in the back right here, one here and one right here. We take them off. Alright guys, so we got the T20. It's a torque, it's a small socket right here. We got this, we got here, and the 2-1. So let's remove them. Once we got the screws out, we have to disconnect just left and right button connector. So you can see them right here on the left one, and we got one on the right side. Got these buttons right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take each one individual and replace them with the new one, just like that. Each one comes out. You need just a pin like that and a screwdriver, and you're gonna grab each button and take them off and replace with the new button. So what you want to do is you're gonna put your pin in here and push it up, and each button it's pump up. It's gonna pump out, and it's gonna really like literally knock it out. Alright guys, so here we got the old buttons. Even I removed this one too, just right here. So you got right here this clip. You're gonna push down, put your pin in here, push it down and it's gonna pop out easily. And then what we're gonna do, that's how it's gonna look out. We're gonna put each button back to normal. This is how the buttons work. If you can hear, that's the knobs. Everything is fine, nothing was damaged. You just put new buttons and you're gonna screw them back to the bezel, trim bezel right here, left side and right side, and put back together. So right here we got it back to normal. Now we're gonna just put these screws back together. So one is done. Each button works properly. So only thing we have left is to get the screws on, tighten it up, and fix the second one. All right, the car is ready. Let's check it out, the buttons. Here we go. So here is the steering wheel. The buttons work, as you see. It's all good. Okay. Volume works. Phone calls work. Everything works good. Trim was installed properly. There's no gaps. There's no any damage. Everything particularly fit perfectly in here. So that was it. If you guys need to do the same on your car, let me know. I can send you a link where you get this part. It's not very expensive and it's on eBay. Probably you can find yourself. There's no sponsor on this video. It's just I had this issue to be fixed. I cannot drive it like that. So that was it, guys. That was mechanic mode. If this video helped you, then don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're first time here, and see you next time.